What we have today is 1 over 3 plus y over 4 equals 2y plus 1 over 5. Now it is very easy to solve. Okay, just watch me. Welcome to AZ Science TV. This is a platform where I solve problems related to mathematics and physics. In case you have any issue with these two subjects, please feel free to drop it in the comment section below. I will be more than happy to attend to them. Without much ado, let's proceed. What you simply have to do here is to find a number that can multiply 3, 4, and 5, okay, to give us equal numbers at the denominators. Okay, once we get equal numbers at the denominators, we can cancel them out, then focus on the numerators. Alright, so the smallest number that 3, 4, and 5 can divide is 60. Alright, it's 60, and that is the LCM of 5, 4, and 3. So what we multiply 3 to give 60? The answer is 20. So we do it up and down. What to multiply 4 to give 60 is 15. So we multiply up and down with 15. Then what we multiply 5 to give 60 is 12. So we use 12 to multiply 5 and use 12 to multiply 2y plus 1. We are going to have 20 times 1 up there over 20 times 3 below. Then the second fraction is 15 up and down, right? So that's 15 times y divided by 15 times 4. That is for the second fraction. Then equal to do the same here. Alright, so we have 12 times 2y plus 1, then all divided by 12 times 5. So we have equated. You notice that if you multiply this, you will get 60. This will give you 60, this will give you 60, and this will give you 60. So they will all give you 60 on that. Alright, so if you get 60 from here, it means we now have, this is what we have, 20 over 60 here. So here we have plus 15y divided by what? 60. Then equal to, open the bracket here, we are going to have 12 times 2 is 24 y. Then 12 times 1 is plus 12. All divided by what? 60. So what it means is that these ones will now go. We are done with the denominators. So equate the numerators. We are simply going to have 20 plus 15 y equals 24 y plus 12. Okay, this is what we are going to have. Now it is time to take similar terms together. Bring down similar terms. Okay, we are now going to have 20. Then bring plus 12 to this end here. That will give us minus 12 because it is plus 12. Then equals to 24y. This is plus 15. Take it the other way. Becomes minus 15y. Okay, minus 15y. This is what we'll have here. Then 20 minus 12 is simply 8. And this is equal to 9. Then 1 is left here. That's 0. So this will give us 9y. 9y. Right? Therefore, dividing both sides by 9 equals to 8 over 9. Thank you for watching. Please do well to subscribe for more. And bye for now.